Well, viewers, following its recent victory in the Lok Sabha polls, the Trinamool Congress is now preparing for the Martyrs' Day rally today. The party is poised to showcase its efforts in bolstering the national opposition unity and confronting the BJP's influence in West Bengal. So the preparations have already begun and it is turning out to be a show of unity for the TMC. Remember, although the TMC and the Congress party were not allied in West Bengal and continue to fight it out even today, the TMC has been saying that it will play a very, very crucial role in the national front when it comes to the India bloc. It's a Martyrs' Day, a celebration that has continued with the West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee continuing the tradition every single year. But this time around, it's going to be a slight change because the SP chief Akhilesh Yadav is also going to be in attendance. So as the TMC prepares for the Martyrs' Day today, there are several leaders who are going to be part of it. Not just the TMC, but SP chief Akhilesh Yadav is also going to be a part of it. July 21st, remember, is remembered by the West Bengal Chief Minister every single year. And she has mentioned how it is a tragic day in the history of West Bengal. My colleague Adrija is joining us on the broadcast with the details. In fact, she's joining us from the rally venue. Adrija, when is the event all set to begin? Have people started arriving there? This is also a show of unity and show of strength for the TMC. So supporters of the TMC from across West Bengal expected to join the rally.
Well, absolutely. You see a huge rally today turning out in Kolkata, and the people, as you asked, have already started to gather. I will show you here from the venue that people have already started to gather. The stage is also up in place and the leaders are expected to arrive very shortly. The event is expected to begin at around 10:30, 11, but of course, you know, people have already started gathering. Huge number of people in Kolkata from across the state of West Bengal, and not only a show of strength after the Lok Sabha elections for the TMC, but as well as the India bloc, here today, because Akhilesh Yadav is also expected to attend and share the dice along with Mamata Banerjee and also speak about the opposition working against the BJP as a whole. So massive, show of strength rally today by the TMC here in Kolkata.
Okay, all right. So, Adrija, people have started arriving already, and like we mentioned, it's also going to be a show of strength for the opposition bloc, and Akhilesh Yadav is also going to be part of the rally. Do we know if any other leaders from across the country are also going to be participating?
Well, Akhilesh Yadav has confirmed officially that he will be attending. Mamata Banerjee had definitely extended her invitation, but of course, because of Maharashtra elections, Shiv Sena leaders are, not being able to attend. And as of now, Akhilesh Yadav is the only one who's coming, and of course TMC and Samajwadi Party both happen to be a very important unity of India alliance at the moment, because both of them are leading TMC from West Bengal, and Akhilesh Yadav has put on a good fight from Uttar Pradesh as well. So of course both of them coming together post this rally. It is also expected that Akhilesh Yadav will be meeting Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee at her residence. They will be conducting a meeting there as well. So of course, various day plan is there for the India bloc today, and also not only TMC here, the show of strength will be for the entire India alliance here. Especially very interesting to see because Congress of West Bengal continues to fight against the TMC.
Absolutely, and it will be interesting to see what the reaction of the Congress party will be to this. Stay with us. Mamata Banerjee has highlighted that July 21st is dedicated to honoring martyrs who have sacrificed their lives in mass protests. She emphasized the significance of the day to express gratitude to the people, and this is a day that is dedicated to Ma Mati Manush.
21 জুলাই আছে আপনারা জানেন 21 জুলাইতে আমরা সকল শহীদদের সম্মানে স্মরণে 21 জুলাই আন্দোলনে যারা শহীদ হয়েছিলেন তাদের সহ বিভিন্ন জন আন্দোলনে যারা শহীদ হয়েছে তাদের সকলকে আমরা শ্রদ্ধার্ঘ্য নিবেদন করি।
Now, apart from the TMC top leadership, Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav is also expected to address a rally. The SP leader has confirmed that Kannauj MP Akhilesh Yadav has been invited, and Didi had extended the invitation to him. Listen in.
Trinamool Congress 21 जुलाई को शहीद दिवस हिसाब से मानते हैं। तो इस बार समाजवादी पार्टी के राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष माननीय अखिलेश यादव जी को आमंत्रित किया। अखिलेश यादव जी आमंत्रण को एक्सेप्ट किया। कल अखिलेश जी सीधा उत्तर प्रदेश से लखनऊ से आएंगे इस सभा के संबोधित करने के लिए, और यहाँ से दिल्ली जाएंगे। 11 बजे एयरपोर्ट में आ जाएंगे। 11 बजे से 11:30 पे सभा में आ जाएंगे।
So, Adrija, the TMC has, of course, been observing the day. Take us through the significance of the day. This is a tradition that Mamata Banerjee has continued for years now.
Well, absolutely. You see, Mamata Banerjee have continued this tradition from years now. This is the Martyrs' Day celebration. They pay their respects, TMC pay their respects, and also very significantly, as Mamata Banerjee herself have pointed out, this also is the day where the TMC chooses to show their gratitude towards the people after every election, and especially this year, because we have seen the Lok Sabha elections where TMC have performed very well as compared to 2019, and also the by-election that has happened in West Bengal. In both the elections, TMC have done excellently good job, and therefore today is also not only a Martyrs' Day where they will be paying respect to all the people who have lost their life while staging mass demonstration, but also at the same time a day to celebrate the people of Bengal, to ensure that and to be grateful to the people of Bengal for giving TMC so many number of seats in the past elections.
Okay, all right. In fact, amidst this, the BJP is gearing up for protests as well. The TMC expects a massive rally with attendees from across the state. The TMC says that regardless of the BJP's actions, it will be a resounding success. They suggest that the BJP leader should focus on resolving internal conflicts instead.
TMC will have a huge rally on 21st July. And comparing with that, BJP's any program that will be a miserably failure. They have been defeated in recent Lok Sabha election and by-elections assembly, and they are trying to make some issues, but they are very much disturbed only because of their internal politics, their groups, etc., etc. So they are trying to divert the issue. They are trying to showcase that they are going to organize a rally, a program, but they have absolutely no public support.
All right, Adrija, thank you for joining us with those details. We'll come back to you for those updates. We're shifting our attention to breaking updates coming in. Another road rage incident has come to light from Pune, where a woman was brutally beaten by a car driver. 2 people have been arrested in the incident. The woman says that the driver followed her for 2 kilometers. A woman was beaten by a car driver in a road rage incident. 2 people have now been arrested.